Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In the lesson, I will teach you on how to configure Ipsec remote access VPN in Sophos Firewall. So to configure this, first you need to go to administration and then go to device access. In LAN, you have to tick on ping DNS. This one are optional, but you have to tick on user portal and also as a VPN in case you want to configure it. And then on WAN port, you need to check also the ping and DNS and user portal. Let's say if you want to allow users to access through your web portal using VPN, you can also click here. Okay, but I don't do that. But for you, you can also tick and for testing. And for the VPN portal here, you can put ping and PD and DNS, and you can also click user portal over here. But I don't want user to access to my portal, so I will untick on it. Okay, and after that you click apply. Okay, so after you already click apply on this, another step you go to remote access VPN. Okay, and then in Ipsec it have like L2TP as a VPN, but here I will focus on Ipsec. So on Ipsec here, the default is not enable. You have to click enable, and here the interface port you have to choose your WAN port or your internet access port. Okay, and for the Ipsec, choose default, and pre-share key. This one you need to create for the pre-share key. So when you configure, this pre-share key is important. Okay, and then for the local ID, I will let it default. But you can also specify your LAN and also your gateway here over here. Okay, and here is the user. Here we can allow the user over here, and I will let this blank first, and then I will add it later. And here's the client access. Let's say I allow my client from internal, which IP that I allow them. Okay, so this one the IP I allow them. My recommendation is over here you need to assign another rank from your network. Okay, so this one will be secure your VPN. Okay. Okay, and then this one, the DNS, you can put your server DNS and also Google DNS or DNS of your public IP. And for the gateway here, I not recommend to turn it on because it can make your traffic uh, exposed. Okay, so I allow only the network, some network that my client from remote to access. Let's say I want my client when connect this VPN, I allow him or her to access only my DMZ. So I need to add my DMZ LAN, or I want to allow the remote access to access my LAN 30. So I just add my LAN 30. So let's say here is the my network of my DMZ LAN. So I just add network of my DMZ. So the client that they can access from the external will be accessed to this one. Okay. Okay, and this one I will let it default, and then you just click apply. Okay, let's say I choose open group first, apply first, and then I will go to user to create. Okay, I need to create group for user. I will create another group. I will put VPN testing 2. Okay, yeah, group type normal. This one unlimited access. This one you can also limit the duration that allow them to access. I will put unlimited. Okay, allow all time. Okay, and user here we need to create a user. I will create user 002, user 002, Okay, user profile, left the full and the password. Okay, okay, email you can 02@gmail.com. Okay, group, the group that we just create with untesting tool. Okay, then save. Okay, so now the user 002 has been created. You can go back to your remote access VPN, and then I remove the open VPN. Okay, user 002, and this one I don't want to add the group over here. This one you see allow user and group. So this one you can allow, you can add user one by one, and you can also add group over here. So I will remove the group. I put only this user. So after you already configure the remote access VPN and also add the user to the your remote access, you need to apply the rule and policy. So you go to rule and policy, then you click on add rule, firewall rules, then give your rule name. I will put remote access testing 2, apply to top. For the rule group, you can put any group based on your preference. I will put none. Source, this one, VPN. Service, I will left it any, and destinations to our zone, to our LAN zone or DMZ zone. Okay. And then you can also create link NAT rule. Okay. It also based on your requirement whether you want allow them to access to any services. Okay. And then I will go to each one and choose masquerade. So I will go to export the connection for your client. You need to go to remote access VPN, and then you download the client, this one for installation. Okay, so the installation is download. So after you download, you need to export the connection. We click here, and then I will click install. We go to, so just click install, install. Launch. Okay, and then here's the connection. I need to extract it. Okay, and here we have to choose SCH. This one, yeah, SCH, the first one. So you go to your connect over here. You need to import, download my Sophos, and then I will choose the connection, import over here. So it will become use connect. Then I will put user 002 and the password. And then I can save it. Let's see if the connection is established. Okay, you see now the connection is published, and here's the public IP, and here's the VPN type IP that we choose. Okay, everyone, so that's all for the lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.